Well, we have question 24. Question says that the following program has syntax errors. Correct them on each successive line. Assume that any preceding error has been corrected. All right. You have the program here. We also did write the same program in C++ over there. So we have to correct the error here. Now, I can see already when from here, cout is underlined. When I look at it is correctly spelled, but my editor tells me that there's an expected semicolon somewhere. But assuming that I don't have this editor, so when I look here, so you see this is correct, but the preceding lines, there's a semicolon I'm supposed to place in there. So I press semicolon, you see it's not underlined anymore. Okay, so cout is not underlined anymore. Now, so there was a semicolon here by, there was supposed to be a semicolon there by the end of this statement because all C++ statements end with, terminate with a semicolon. Now, and then if I look at my C++ program editor, you can see here is also underlined, enter last name, and then semicolon. All right, just because over here, one of there's one quotation mark that miss. Okay, now the program will be correct. So if I put the quotation marks over here, I'll put the quotation mark there. All right, now the program is satisfied. And then I look here, C in last. Okay, it's underlined. Why? Because last was an undefined variable. Is an undefined variable. So if I define last there, for instance, I say last, I declare the variable last, then it's not underlined. So over here, last was not declared. The reason here is that last is an undefined variable. Then in my program, we can notice here, temperature also is underlined. The reason is that temperature here is another undefined variable. So we define the variable as temp, okay? It could have been like temperature. If it is temperature, for instance, then here it won't be underlined anymore. And then over here, today's temperature, the reason is there's a quotation mark like this. And then if I put the quotation mark there, and everything is correct. Now, this is underlined also. So over here, it was the quotation mark here. And we can see in the program that this part is underlined, just because we put a colon here. If we want to write this way, we don't need to put a semicolon there, then it's going to be correct. So over here, this wasn't supposed to be there. So now we say the program is correct. Thank you.